I've driven my 2020 Tesla over 100,000 kilometers in one of the coldest cities in the world, and today I come to you from the driver's seat of my brand new 2023 Tesla. I've learned some hard but valuable lessons in the last 3 years, and today I'll give you a couple of reasons why I think a Tesla might be the right choice for you. But I'm not here to sell you a rose-tinted dream, a car full of rainbows and sunshine. I'll also be discussing a few reasons why a Tesla, or any electric car for that matter, might not be the right choice for you even in 2023. So buckle up and let's get this video started. Since my video in 2020, electric vehicles are no longer the rare unicorns they once were. You see them now more than ever. Every manufacturer has jumped on the EV bandwagon, and the dealerships are practically tripping over electric models in their lots. So what gives Tesla the edge from all the others? The Tesla Supercharging Network. Despite claims from other manufacturers about having thousands of charging stations, none come close to the comprehensive network that Tesla provides. For comparison, I picked up this black Model 3 from Edmonton, Alberta, a journey that typically takes about 14 hours by a standard ICE vehicle. However, due to highway driving in extreme cold conditions and necessary charging stops, this journey extended to approximately 18 hours. This is still comparable to a similar trip in a gas-powered vehicle, considering the need for food, water, and bathroom breaks. Now, let's consider my friend who undertook the same journey in a non-Tesla vehicle. Can you guess how long it took him? Wrong. The answer is D, a combination of all the above. His journey took a whopping 48 hours, sprinkled with 2 hotel stays. Every time he arrived at a charger, it was a bit like playing Russian roulette. It was either dreadfully slow, taking 2 to 3 hours to charge each time, or it was completely out of order. In contrast, every time I pulled up to a supercharger, I was in and out in a breezy 20 to 30 minutes. Also, the Tesla app or inbuilt navigation system makes locating supercharger a cinch. Just input your destination and Tesla indicates the necessary stops. No need to halt at every one, given a Tesla supercharger pops up every 50 to 100 kilometers on the Trans-Canada Highway, and the Tesla range comfortably surpasses that. Additionally, superchargers are web-enabled, meaning you'll be forewarned if a charger is out of service, and Tesla will reroute you to the next closest one. You can also view real-time data on how many people are at a certain charger, the cost, nearby amenities, peak times, and much more. Every supercharger site I've visited boasted 6 to 12 stalls, whereas most Electrify Canada or non-Tesla stations have a meager 2 to 4, and they are not even online. Did I mention that as a Tesla owner you can utilize these non-Tesla chargers? On the flip side, a non-Tesla cannot charge at a Tesla supercharger. There's an initiative underway to open up some Tesla superchargers to other electric vehicles, but here's the catch. The chargers are rarely the issue in cold weather. It's typically the vehicle's battery management system. Tesla has been in the game for a while and seems to have mastered extreme temperatures, automatically warming up the battery for seamless supercharging when needed. Other electric vehicles haven't quite cracked that code yet. Despite having preconditioning systems, they seldom meet the manufacturer's charging time. With my Tesla, I routinely exceed the charging rate of 250 kilowatt hour promised by Tesla, making my charging experience a breeze. If that hasn't convinced you to invest in a Tesla, here's reason number 2. Sentry Mode and 360-degree Dashcam features. This feature alone has personally saved me over $10,000. I've had 2 incidents where, without a Dashcam, I would have been held accountable. In one instance, a man reversed into me in a parking lot, then accused me of rear-ending him. Initially, I was deemed at fault, but after submitting my dashcam footage to the insurance company, the blame was shifted. In another instance, a woman hid my car in a parking lot and denied it because her vehicle showed no signs of damage, while my car had visible paint damage. Although my rear camera was obscured by snow, a common winter hazard, fortunately Tesla has another camera that captured the minor collision and I was absolved of blame. This incident highlights a valuable feature of Tesla's known as Sentry Mode. With Sentry Mode, you can choose to have the car record even when the car is parked. This feature is particularly beneficial if you live or park in areas prone to vandalism. With the recorded evidence, your insurance company won't hold you liable, saving you from paying the deductible for these incidents. Cars are more than just machines. They carry our most precious cargo, our lives. Each time we get behind the wheel, we entrust our safety to a complex piece of engineering. Consider this family of 4 who were driving along the scenic Highway 1 near the notorious Devil's Slide Cliff. Caught off guard by an unexpected turn, they found themselves plummeting down the cliff in their Tesla Model Y. Miraculously, they all survived. This terrifying incident serves as a stark reminder of the importance of vehicle safety. It's a wake-up call to ensure that our cars are as safe as possible, and this is why the third reason to consider a Tesla in 2023 is its unparalleled safety. All Tesla vehicles are with not 1, not 2, but 8 cameras. It's like having 8 pairs of eyes that never blink. Although Tesla uses their 8 eyes to seamlessly drive itself, it is always ready to step in and save you from an imminent accident. And let's not forget about the crumple zones. Tesla has taken their safety to the next level. In case of a collision, these zones absorb the impact, protecting the passengers inside. It's like the car gives itself a big bear hug so you don't have to feel the squeeze. In fact, all Tesla vehicles are among the top 10 safest in the world. They've aced safety tests and earned top marks. It's like they're the straight A students of the car world. So if you're considering a Tesla in 2023, remember this. Safety isn't just a feature, it's a promise. And who knows, with a Tesla, your most exciting stories might be about how your car saved the day. These are the 3 big reasons why you should think about getting a Tesla versus any other electric vehicles in the next 3 to 5 years. And by the time these other electric car manufacturers do catch up in terms of infrastructure, Tesla is going to have full self-driving cars ready by then. Don't believe me? Here's me going on a drive with a Tesla with FSD beta. These cars are already capable of level 3 autonomy anywhere in the world. From the drive I've taken, and if you're patient enough, Tesla full self-driving is going to do all of the driving for you. We're not far away from the days when you're chauffeured home by your Tesla when you had one too many.
I'm home.
With the recent price cuts, the government rebate, and the referral program being back, there's never been a better time to buy a Tesla. In the US, any Model 3, Y, or even the base Model X qualifies for the $7,500 federal tax credit. In Canada, you can get $5,000 federal incentive on both Model 3 and Y, except the performance models of these 2 trims. With the price cuts, government rebates, plus the newly returned referral program offering $650 off and 3 months of full self-driving, the overall cost drops significantly. Factor in the savings on gas and you'll find that the final price is well below the average cost of a new car in both the US and in Canada. To ensure you get all the discounts I talked about, click the link and then complete your purchase on the same page. After you have selected the Tesla you want and you're about to hit order on the final page, make sure you scroll up and see that the discount has been applied, as adding the discount post-purchase is no longer possible. But before you click on that referral link and order your Tesla, let's pause and consider some reasons why a Tesla, or any electric vehicles for that matter, might not be the right choice for you. Now, the ideal living situation to own a Tesla is if you live in a house or a condo where you can plug your Tesla in. Even if you manage to pull a plug from your kitchen, that would suffice considering your daily driving isn't extensive. But if you live in an apartment with no way to plug your Tesla, think twice before you click that referral link. Sure, you might think, I'll just supercharge my car, easy peasy. But here's the thing, supercharging doesn't cost pennies and dimes like it used to. It's getting pricier every day. So if you thought you'd be saving a heap of cash by not buying gas, think again. In my last 3 years of my Tesla ownership, I've moved around a lot and my car has seen all kinds of parking situations. We're talking everything from great outdoors with no plug-in to the cozy confines of a heated underground parking lot. Guess when my Tesla was the happiest? You got it, when it was tucked away in a heated garage, plugged in, probably sipping virtual cocoa by a virtual fireside. Zero issues, zero service appointments. On the other hand, when parked outside during those frigid winter snaps, it felt like my Tesla was running 24/7 marathons just to keep its vitals warm. But hold your horses, fellow Canadians. Tesla has apparently remembered we exist. In the last 3 years, they've stepped up their game. Remember my 2020 Tesla? The poor vehicle was about as prepared for the cold as a flip-flop in a snowstorm. But now, it seems like every new Tesla destined for Canada or other chilly places comes with its own personal winter survival kit, the cold weather package. It's got heated wipers, a toasty steering wheel and seats, warm cameras, a heated charge port, you name it. It's a total 180 compared to my time with the 2020 model. Nowadays, I still park my 2023 Model 3 outside, and by the time I get to my car, any ice on it has melted away faster than an ice cream cone in August. Also, the fit and finish have improved over the years with fewer panel gaps and paint issues. So, folks, what do you think? Are you ready to pull the trigger on a Tesla? Or are you quite not ready to join the electric car revolution? Yes, some of the cold weather myths are, let's say, semi-true, but if you've got a snug garage where you can plug in your Tesla, it'll handle winter like a polar bear in a snowstorm. Smooth sailing guaranteed. If you do decide to take that plunge, don't forget to use my referral code in the description. Got questions? Feel free to reach out on social media. I'm TESLAPEG, or just drop a comment below. And remember folks, as the famous Canadian saying goes, there's no such thing as bad weather, only bad clothing. Or in this case, bad cars. So get yourself a good one. The one that can make winter feel like a breeze.